guys, so it's Linda here again, and today I'm here to review the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Now, a few years ago, Micellar Cleansing Water became like this massive thing on the market to take off makeup and to cleanse the skin. This is definitely my favourite brand on the market. Okay, this is actually a travel size. This is 100mm. Now, I'm an avid traveller and always try and just take hand luggage when I go away. So 100ml is perfect to go in your hand luggage. They also do like massive jumbo bottles of like 250, even 500ml. So if your everyday cupboard, it's perfect for that. So with micellar water, they recommend it for taking off makeup. It does take off like your foundation, your powder. However, I find especially with like thick heavy makeup, and say if you've been wearing false eyelashes and the glue, I don't think it really works for this. For me, I prefer to use an oil-based product. However, what I tend to do is take off my makeup, wash my face with soap or a cleanser, and then afterwards do like an extra cleansing phase with this. You only need to put a few small drops onto a cotton pad and then just rub all over your face to remove that daily grime and any excess or leftover makeup. So Garnier's a fantastic brand. All the ingredients are natural. There's no perfume in it, so it's really, really good if you have sensitive skin or any sort of like acne or skin that flares up. This is going to be something really soothing for it. Also, I find when I've used this, my skin feels like really fresh afterwards. You can feel like the pores open, and it's a really good like base to have to then put like a daily moisturizer on. Garnier, this bottle in fact was, I think it was something like 65p. I think the big bottles are around about $3.99, but we're talking like the big bottles. And you only need a really, really small amount, so they're going to last you like a good 2-3 months, which is fantastic. In fact, once open, they suggest that the product is good for 6 months, so you've got a lot of time to use it. Overall, I'm a great fan of this product. It leaves your skin feeling fantastic, and it's a great cheap cleanser.